If you want to create scrolling credits in CapCut PC, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're making end credits for a short film, a YouTube video, a school project, or just a polished final scene, this method gives you a clean scrolling text effect without needing any complicated editing tricks. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut PC and start a new project, or open the project you want to add credits to. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the top left corner and click on Text. This is where you'll create the text layer for your credits. Next, drag default text down onto your timeline. This creates a text clip that you can edit and animate. Now, because scrolling credits usually need time to move smoothly, you'll want to make this text block long enough. A good starting point is around 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how much text you have and how fast you want it to scroll. Now click into the text box and paste your credits. You can type names, roles, thank yous, production details, or anything else you want included in the scroll. If you have a lot of credits, keep them neatly spaced so they're easy to read while moving across the screen. You can also format the text if needed, but for a classic credits look, simple centered text usually works best. Once your credits are in place, it's time to hide the text at the start. Move your playhead to the very first frame of the text clip on the timeline. This is important because the scroll animation needs a clear starting position. In the preview window, click and drag the text so it moves completely below the screen. You want the credits to begin off screen so they can smoothly scroll upward into view. After positioning the text below the screen, look at the right side panel and find the position controls. Click the diamond icon next to position to add your first keyframe. This tells CapCut to remember where the text starts. If you don't add this keyframe, the motion effect won't work correctly. Now move the playhead to the very last frame of the text clip. At this point, you're setting the ending position for the scroll. In the preview window, drag the text completely above the screen so it finishes off screen at the top. CapCut should automatically create a second keyframe once you change the position. That gives you the start and end points for the scrolling motion. Now play the clip back and you should see the credits scroll smoothly from the bottom of the screen to the top. If the movement feels too fast, the easiest way to slow it down is to stretch the text block longer on the timeline. This gives the animation more time to travel, which creates a slower and smoother scroll. If the credits are moving too slowly, simply shorten the text block. That makes the motion happen over a shorter time, which speeds up the scroll. This is a really useful trick because it lets you fine-tune the pacing without having to rebuild the animation. If you want the credits to look even better, you can center align the text, use a clean font, and keep the spacing consistent between lines. You can also add a subtle background, music, or fade out at the end for a more professional finish. Small details like that can make your scrolling credits feel much more cinematic. And that's it. You've now made scrolling credits in CapCut PC using keyframes and simple timing adjustments. It's an easy technique, but once you know how to do it, you can use it for all kinds of projects. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.